Beautiful from Bell+Howell. Bell+Howell, who have actually won Academy Awards for lighting. They bring us these incredible cascading color changing stake lights, but they can also be tabletop. So they're super versatile, really beautiful, and exclusive to us here at HSN. We're watching a little video and you're seeing how turn it on, very easy, or you can go the other way and do that color changing. And we're gonna be showing you that live in the studio. Chad Allen is already dancing with anticipation and excitement for being on TV. And
that's not true. I love to work with Helen.
Oh, well, I'm so glad, first of all, to be indoors because it was getting a little chilly. But the color changing.
Yes.
It's so spectacular.
Yeah, well, the lights are out. Let me just show you this real quick. You take off the cap, there's one rocker switch underneath. That's it. It's either white or color changing. All the LEDs are built in there. They do some magic. I'll try to cover up that light sensor so you can actually see. So white or color changing. Watch, it goes from red to blue to green, all by itself. I'm not doing anything with the light changing. So I'm gonna put it back on white. I'm gonna put that light back on top of the post here. Now the prism that's underneath the LEDs throws out the most magnificent design I've ever seen. And by the way, you can create any height you want because we give you a lot of extra poles.
Oh,
so,
yeah.
Look, that's like the sun going down.
Look at that.
And let's see, there's one that did it not read the sun? Oh, it thought the sun was still up. There it goes. And so now they're all on. And if I want to change it to color changing, again, all I'm going to do is take that cap off, put it on color changing. So I'll do this one on color changing. The rest will stay on white so you get an idea. But all you're doing is flipping the rocker switch.
And it's also a design. I mean, we were just talking about live flowers. This looks like light flowers.
Yes, and look, the taller you make it, the bigger spread that light is. Like, look at this. I'm just holding this one. Look at that. I could even mount it vertically if I want to and create that design.
And this price, by the way, $19.95 is ridiculous. And this is exclusive to us here at HSN. You can't get this at any home store, any mart store,
nope,
any of the other places where you buy stuff.
And so why do you get vertical lighting though? Like, why do you even want this, right?
Yeah.
And so you want great landscape lighting, that's always clear. By the way, if you just joined us, you can do all of them like this. I just have one so you know that you have different modes. But you want vertical lighting, taller lighting, because you need to get above the leaves and the flowers and the foliage when you want the sunlight to hit your solar panel, okay? You can't cover it up with the beautiful flowers you purchased today.
Right.
And so vertical lighting is hard, but we can also make it tabletop like you're seeing here. So it has the flat bottom, so you can just set it flat on its base. But the pole itself, the actual stake itself, which has a cap on top, you can do 1 or 2 poles, just like that. And so you can put them both together or just do one. So this is 1, this is 2, so you're in control. We give you everything you need, even the stake included. You don't even have to use them if you don't want to. You don't buy any batteries. You don't charge them up by it yourself. The sun does the work and you just enjoy it.
I love how easy it is. I love that it is, of course, no maintenance. You don't have to hire an electrician. You don't have to be like, did I turn these on? Did I forget to turn the lights off before I go to bed? The sun is going to turn them on, turn them off. This is a weekly deal drop. So what is that? It's like a today's special, but instead of, midnight to midnight on one day, it goes along during the week and it's it sells out. So it's supposed to last till Sunday, but when something has only been on air one time and already 1,500 have gone, I don't think this is gonna, we're Monday. Happy St. Patty's Day, by the way. It is Monday.
Happy St. Patrick's Day. I was on with Guy Yovan earlier. That was the issue.
Oh.
And when Guy Yovan touches the solar light.
He's got his garden show, and he's at Mr. Outdoors. Yeah, there it is. They're almost gone.
Yeah, and so they only really scheduled this weekly deal drop for today, which I was really happy with because I get some days off this week. But I was a little sad that maybe the customers that don't watch today won't get to see it. But as the lights come down in the studio, it's like the sun going down at home.
Leave your phone on, my friend. It'll be added.
Oh, they'll be calling?
They'll be calling, yeah.
And these are all tabletop. So the light is on, my hands are touching the table right here. And so the taller if you use the stakes, the taller you make this, the more spread out that design gets. So I'm moving this one on your screen. So the taller I make it with the 2 poles that are included, or even if you want to use 1 tabletop, you got 4 poles to play with then because you're getting a 2-pack. Yes, it's only 20 bucks. However, I could have made it an 8-pack or a 10-pack or a 12-pack. I didn't want to force you to buy that many.
Right, and you could mix this in with other solar lights. That's what I like about it, because these are so decorative. You could get 2 sets and have it be every other one. You could have just this one set and have 1 tabletop, or 1, kind of the outdoor couch at the side of, because of the staking. I mean, it's completely up to you. By the way, you can see the counter. These are flying out the door already again. So I know that I don't know how many times we're going to have these on air, but I love the color changing. You have a party, it's 'tis the season. My neighbors all do this. Like so-and-so's birthday, everybody go over to your house. You know, we do a fire, everybody come over to our house. It's such a beautiful thing, and we all talk about each other's lawns and all the things that you do. This is so unique. I absolutely love it.
It is one of those things you find at the Sunday farmers market,
Yes.
or that boutique shop when you're on vacation, walking the boulevard, and you go into that store and you're like, I've never seen anything like that. Oh my gosh, it's $50, but that's okay. I'm on vacation, I'll buy it. And then you watch HSN and you go, oh wow, they have the same items at a much better deal. Why do we do this? Because Curate, HSN, QVC, they're around the world. So when Bell+Howell makes this product for this company, this retailer,
it's a global brand.
We make it for the whole globe for this company.
Right, QVC Italy,
yes,
QVC
Germany,
France,
UK.
Germany, the UK.
And so when you mass manufacture goods, just education, it lowers the price of the raw materials. And so Bell+Howell gets the best deals on the stakes, on the LEDs, on the batteries, on the solar, and then when we put it all together in our own factories, in our 9 warehouses across the country, we bring a great deal, not because the product is not worth more money. It's because we're saving so much by buying in bulk, just like you do when you go to the big warehouse store and buy your big bulk stuff.
By the way, we're getting incredibly busy on the phone. There's different ways to order. My producer, Pat, is updating me. People are getting more than one set.
Makes sense.
You can scan the QR code. You can go to our digital store. It's 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and just put in that item number, which is 856398. Or you can call in. That's fine too. 1800. I don't want to say how many, because the minute I have a number come out, it's a new number. I'm glad you're loving these. So my many years of experience are telling me these are not going to last based on how quickly they're selling. Weekly deal drops drop on Monday. Today's Monday. This is, I think, the second time it's been on air, or the third time.
I was with Rebecca at 1 a.m.
Okay, so 1 a.m.
And then
Guy.
I had Guy.
And then, so this is the third time anyone's ever seen them, and 1,800 have been ordered. So if you would like to get in on this, definitely order now. And as my producer's telling me, most people are getting more than one set. Swipe that QR code, go to our digital store. You can certainly call the number on your screen. Think about how many orders you want. It's unlimited. We don't do this thing where, oh, one per customer. You know, when we have deals like this, you get as many as you want. We should call us the first come, first serve network, right?
Well, we will run out, so you really can't buy as many as you want.
Right, that's why it's first come, first serve.
Yeah, we actually will sell out of these, definitely this week, for sure.
For sure.
But if you just joined us, you're not choosing a height. Your stake has multiple poles. You can either take the poles apart and just use one, or you can use multiples. It's all built in, it's all ready for you. You flip a switch, you let the sun charge it up, it comes on automatically, it goes off automatically. Even when you're on vacation, people will think you're home, but it adds that curb appeal. If you're a renter, it's renter friendly. If you don't like where you placed them today, yes, just pick it up and move it around for tomorrow. And it doesn't matter if you just want to create the curb appeal for this week and then take it to the campground, in the RV, you name it, this is for you. I think the only mistake is just picking up one set.
Do you know, I think I just said 1,800, it's 1,900 now. And then it's just, I mean, it's just going so quickly. By the way, keep ordering it. Call and say, I want those Bell+Howell Cascading color lights. We don't do the color, like we don't do this color changing, very rare.
And the white is a warm white,
yeah, and I feel like there's other things coming up with you, Chad.
We have belts, we have a grabber cane.
Yeah, the grabber cane, so we've got a couple things with Chad coming up in the next hour and a half. Hey, listen, if you guys want to save $15 off something that's $19.95, why not? Get it for $4. Go to hsn.com, put in HSN card in the search, or call the 800 number, 1-800-695-1418, and you can get your HSN card, and then you become a VIP, and you get an extra flex pay on almost everything. So get your HSN card on hsn.com. We're going to continue with the theme of